Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of GATE Geology 2013 question paper, and I hope this is useful for various competitive exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 2. Coming to the first question. Which of the following statements is correct? The choices are A. Aeolian sands do not exhibit cross-bedding. B. Deep marine sands are well sorted. And C. Glacier deposit may contain faceted bubble. And D. Wave ripples do not form on shallow marine sands. So the following, which of the following statements is correct is the correct option goes as a C. Glacier deposit may contain faceted bubbles because glaciers contain they contain a faceted at one angle they may show striations. So this is known as a faceted condition. So glacier deposits may contain faceted bubble is the correct option. Next question. The test of organic walled foraminifera is termed as, the choices are A. Microgranular, B. Hyaline, C. Porcelainous and D. Tectinous. So the test of organic walled foraminifera is termed as tectinous. The test of foraminifera, they are called allogromids. This is made up of tectin, which is a soft and flexible organic material. So this is known as the test of organic walled foraminifera is known as a tectinous. So D is the correct option. Next question. Match the detention type in group 1 with the bivalves in group 2. So in group 1, the dentition type is given, and in group 2 the bivalves, the names of the bivalves are given. So like the group 1 consists of desmodont, disodont, isodont, heterodont, and in group 2 the bivalves like Mytilus, Cerastoderma, Maya, Spondylis and Nucula, Arca are given. So the options given are like A, B, C, D, P3, Q1, R4, S2 and B, P1, Q2, R6, S5 and C, P3, Q1, R5, S2 and D, P2, Q1, R4, S6. So out of this following, the correct option goes as a desmodont type of dentition is seen in Maya bivalve, and disodont condition it is seen in Mytilus, and isodont condition it is seen in Spondylus, and heterodont condition it is seen in Cerastoderma. So this is the correct option. Next question. In high grade metamorphism by tide melting, it indicates A. Rock cooling, B. Rock hydration, C. Rock uplifting and D. Rock dehydration. So in high grade metamorphism by tide melting, it indicates rock dehydration. So dehydration melting, it refers to a type of reaction in which a hydrous mineral it breaks down to produce a partial melt without the release of water into a fluid phase. This is very important. So dehydration melting, it refers to a type of reaction in which hydrous mineral breaks down to produce a partial melt. Here there will be no releasing of water into the fluid phase. So D, rock dehydration is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is the correct statement regarding hydrocarbon generation? So the choices are A. Hydrogen by carbon content of organic matter increases as it matures, and B. Organic matter by carbon content of organic matter increases as it matures, and C. Lignite does not form any hydrocarbon during maturation, and D. Oil source rock is the most abundant in Mesozoic. So the correct statement regarding hydrocarbon generation is oil source rock is the most abundant in the Mesozoic. So D is the correct option. Next question. Match the minerals in group 1 with its corresponding industrial application in group 2. So in group 1 minerals are given, and in group 2 industrial application is given. We have to match them. So in group 1 like kyalinite, rutile and graphite, serpentine are given. In group 2 pigment, asbestos, cement, lubricant, abrasives are given. So the choices are A, P1, Q3, R4, S2 and B, P3 Q1 R2 S4 and C P3 Q1 R4 S2 and D P1 Q5 R3 S2 are given. So from this the correct option goes as kaolinite. It is C. Kaolinite, it is used in cement industry, and rutile, so this is used as a pigment, and graphite, so this is used as a lubricant, and serpentine, it is used in the asbestos. Next question. Which of the following is a type of dam? A. Anchor, B. Shotcrete, C. Geogrid, and D. Buttress dam. So buttress is a type of the dam. Next question. Match the items in group 1 with those in group 2. So group 1 like kersentite, B phenite, mugierite, and phonolite. And in group 2 there is like hornblende diabside plagioclase lamprophyre, the rock types are given: basaltic trachyandesite, volcanic nepheline cyanide, biotite plagioclase lamprophyre, metasomatic rock associated with the carbonate. We had to match the group 1 with the group 2. The choices are A P1 Q2 R4 S3 and B Q4 P4 Q5 R2 S3 and C P3 Q1 R2 S4 and D P4 Q5 R3 S2. So the correct option goes as B, that is kersentite. It is nothing but biotite plagioclase lamprophyre, and phenite is metasomatic rock associated with the carbonatites, and mugierite, it is nothing but the basaltic trachyandesite, and phonolite is volcanic nepheline cyanide. B is the correct option. Next question. A chondrite normalized REE pattern, rare earth pattern of quartzo-feldspathic gneisses, show a sharp positive UU anomaly. So this indicates the presence of plagioclase, A plagioclase in the sample, B quartz in the sample, C clinopyroxene in the sample, and D sillimanite in the sample. So the correct option goes as plagioclase in the sample. Next question. Match the following stratigraphic units listed in group 1 with the Precambrian basins in group 2. So stratigraphic units are given in group 1, and in group 2 Precambrian basins are given. Like group 1 it consists of Badami group, Kenjua formation, and Sulavi group, Papagni group are given. In group 2 Vindhyan, Chhattisgarh, Kaladgi, Kadapa, and Pranahita Godavari are given. So the choices given are A P3 Q1 R5 S4 and B P1 Q5 R4 S3, C P1 Q2 R3 S5 are given, and D P3 Q2 R5 S4 are given. So from this the correct option is A, that is Badami group. So this belongs to Kaladgi basin, and Kenjua formation, it belongs to Vindhyan basin, and Sulavi group, so this belongs to Pranahita Godavari basin, and Papagni group, it belongs to Kadapa. So A is the correct option. Next question. Mantle xenoliths are observed in, the choices are A kimberlite, B granite, C pegmatite, and D granulite. Mantle xenoliths are observed in kimberlite. So mantle xenoliths are the fragments of the mantle brought to the earth's surface during volcanic eruptions. So they are common in alkali basalts and in kimberlite pipes, and provide an important constraint on mineral assemblages in the upper mantle. Next question. Dimension of hydraulic conductivity is A LT to the power of minus 2 and L3 to T to the power of minus 1, and C ML to the power of minus 3 and D LT minus 1. So the dimension of hydraulic conductivity is this is nothing but the length per time. So LT minus 1. Next question. Match the items in group 1 with those in group 2. So here in group 1 like different formations like Kethrol formation, Bareil formation, Arielur formation, and Silhouette formation are given. In group 2 Oligocene, Cretaceous, Eocene, Jurassic, and Paleocene are given. Paleocene and Miocene also. So from this we had to choose the options like A P2 Q4 R5 S3 and B P2 Q5 R3 S1 and C P4 Q2 R4 and S5 are given, and D P4 Q1 R2 S3 are given. So from this the correct option it is the Cathedral formation is D. So Cathedral formation, so this is this matches with the Jurassic, and Barrel formation, so this with the age like Oligocene, and Argyllure formation, so this belongs to Cretaceous, and Silhouette formation, so this belongs to Eocene. Next question. Match the economic deposits with in group 1 with the host rocks in the group 2. The choices are that is the group 1 in the group 1 Malanjkhand copper, Salem magnesite, and Jawar ledging deposits, and Rampur Agucha deposits are given, and in group 2 granite, dolomite, graphitic schist, ultramafics, and basalt host rocks are given. So we had to choose and basalt and rhyolite is also given. The options given are A P1 Q4 R3 S2 and B P2 Q3 R5 S2 and C P1 Q4 R2 S3 and D P3 Q2 R6 S5 are given. So from this the correct option goes as C, that is Malanjkhand copper deposits. So these are important for granite, and Salem magnesite, this is for ultramafics, and Jawar ledging deposits. Jawar ledging deposits are important for dolomite, so that means the host rock for the Jawar ledging deposits is dolomite, and Rampura Agucha complex, so this is well known for graphitic schist. Next question. Select the correct statement from the following. A. Incised channels form an account of aeolian action. B. Mesa structures are observed only in steeply dipping beds. C. Crevasses splay is commonly associated with Mandarin River. And D. Coral reefs are abundant in Gulf of Cambay. So the correct statement from the following is known as a C, that is crevasses splay is commonly associated with the Mandarin River. A crevasse splay is a sedimentary fluvial deposit which forms when a stream breaks its natural or artificial levees and deposits sediment on a floodplain. And a breach that forms a crevasse splay deposits sediments in similar pattern to an alluvial fan deposit. So here the correct statement is crevasse splay is commonly associated with Mandarin River. Hope you have followed the important questions, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Hope you can explore to geosciences.